Cleaning the table. It's Olivia's birthday. The children are having a special lunch at school. When they finish, they run off towards the playground and forget to clean up. There's trash on the table. There's trash on the floor. "Come back," calls Layla. "You need to clean up before running off to play." "I don't want to clean up," says Max. "It's my birthday. We want to play," says Olivia. "It's easy," says Layla. "You just have to throw the trash away." Olivia and Max look around. "Why are there so many trash cans?" they ask. "When we separate the trash, it is easier to recycle," says Layla. "We have to put food waste in the orange trash can, plastic in the yellow one, and paper and cartons in the blue one." "We can do that," say Olivia and Max happily. Layla flies to the trash cans. Max and Olivia follow her. Max puts the juice cartons in the blue trash can. Layla puts the food leftovers in the orange can. Olivia helps them put the plastic tubs in the yellow can. "That was easy," she says. "The table is clean. Can we go play now?" asks Max. "Yes, the table is ready for other children to use," says Layla. "Oh, we just need to put away our lunch boxes," says Olivia. "True. Then we can go and play," says Layla. Olivia and Max are disappointed. The playground is not clean. "We need to help clean up," say Olivia and Max. "It is important to have a clean school," says Layla. "Let's ask the other children to help." After cleaning up, the children have fun playing together. "What a great birthday," says Olivia.